come on down because you could be the next contestant on the Profit Challenge. Quick disclaimer, guys, results are intended but not guaranteed. The Profit Challenge, guys, is where we can turn $500 into $10,000 or more, 100% passive and completely hands-free. Once again, results are intended, not guaranteed. Quote for Albert Einstein, compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world. He who understands it earns it. He who doesn't pays it. Albert Einstein may know a thing or two about life, guys. Here's a compounding illustration, guys. This is an illustration example only. Results are intended but not guaranteed. If you had $500 and you were earning an annual interest rate of 63% calculated over the next 10 years with a compound interval of a conservative rate of half yearly, your $500 would go into, yes, $119,532.24. If you look here on the graph, yes, you're not blind. You can really see it take off at year 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 8th wonder of the world, compound interest. Don't forget that, guys. Remember, this is an illustration example only. Results are intended, not guaranteed at that 63% interest rate. Profit Challenge documentation, guys. We got experts doing the work for you, fully documented and transparent, verified on my FX book, Fxblue, and approved through FX Choice. We can see full documentation of our traders. The links to the MyFX book and Fxblue will be in the description. Feel free, and I highly encourage you to check that out. Documentation beats conversation. Guys, follow your challenge progress once you get in. Simply on your smartphone, download the app MetaTrader 4. Great thing about the challenge, FX Choice automatically processes the opening and closing of your trades, and they automatically process the weekly management fee that's based on profits only. Security, no one has access to your funds, only you do. There's never any reason to give out your account number and password. Here's an example on the MetaTrader 4 app of the management fee. It's only applied to the profits. Key features and benefits, guys. This program, this challenge is 0% to sign up, 0 out-of-pocket monthly fee. It's a performance-based model. It's the way it should be. There's no software to download. This is completely 100% automated and hands-free. The compound feature, most importantly, is completely automatic. You don't have to worry about anything. And there's 4 real trading experts doing the work for you. Getting started is simple. You want to go ahead and register for the challenge. The link to that is in the description of this video. Go ahead and get verified and fund your account. After you do that, you're all set. Everything will be done for you automatically. We'll leave you with this, but make sure to connect with myself and other Profit Challenge warriors on Facebook and Telegram. The links are in the description below. And if you don't find Awake Money while you sleep, you'll work until you die. Take care and have a great day.